Hey everyone! If you're using an external hard drive with your PS5, here are 3 mistakes you should never make. Mistake number 1. Using the wrong hard drive. Not all drives work with PS5. Make sure yours is at least 250 gigabytes, no more than 8 terabyte, and supports SuperSpeed USB 5 gigabits per second or later. I personally use the Seagate game drive for PlayStation, link in the description. Mistake number 2. Plugging it into the wrong USB port. If you plug it into the front USB port, it won't work. Always use the USB ports on the back for proper functionality. Mistake number 3. Unplugging without ejecting. Never just pull out your hard drive. Always eject it safely in system settings, or you might corrupt your games and have to re-download everything. Save your data, avoid these mistakes, and enjoy gaming. Like and follow for more PS5 tips.